Same question, asked in Hindi than Russian. Claude judges it differently. Here's the proof, and the number Anthropic can't explain. Same model, same business plan. 2 languages, 2 different verdicts. And it's not because the model changed, it's because the language did. You probably think Claude has one fixed personality. Anthropic just measured over 300,000 real conversations and found that isn't quite true. Its expressed values shift by model version and by the language you speak to it. But watch what happens when only the language changes. Take the same business plan, hand it to Claude twice. One person asks in Hindi. The other asks in Russian. In Hindi, the feedback comes back warmer, framing the upside first. In Russian, it comes back more rigorous, leading with the risks. Same plan, same model, 2 different impressions of how good it is. These panels are illustrative, but the gap they show is real and measured. So how do you measure something as fuzzy as a value? This is where the study earns its trust. Anthropic used a tool called Clio, and the whole point of Clio is privacy. It goes through real conversations, strips out anything identifying, and labels which values show up in each one. No person on the team ever sees your chats. Only the anonymized aggregate patterns come out the other side. For this study, that pipeline processed 309,815 conversations across 3 models and 20 languages. That works out to about 5,000 conversations for every model and language pair. Enough to see a signal, not just noise. To track those shifts, Anthropic compressed everything down into 4 dials. Think of them like the sliders on a mixing board. The first runs from deference to caution. How much Claude defers to you versus how carefully it hedges. The second, warmth to rigor, friendly and encouraging versus exacting and precise. The third, depth to brevity, long and thorough versus short and to the point. And the fourth, candor to execution, telling you the hard truth versus just doing the task. Thousands of distinct values from the earlier work collapsed into these 4 readable dimensions. Where a model settles on each dial becomes its value fingerprint. And the model you pick moves those dials before you type a word. Opus 4.7 is the careful one. On this measure, it lands notably higher on caution and higher on depth than the average across models. It hedges more and it goes deeper. Sonnet 4.6 leans the other way, warmer and more differential, quicker to agree and encourage. So if you've ever swapped Sonnet for Opus to get a smarter model and felt the answers turn more cautious and thorough, that wasn't in your head. The upgrade didn't just change how capable Claude is. It changed its character. Now here's the part that pays off the opening. Hold the model steady and just change the language, and the dials still move. Across the 20 languages, Claude came out warmest in Hindi and Arabic. It came out most rigorous in English and Russian. It was most cautious in English and most deferential in Arabic. Look back at the business plan. In Hindi, warmth shaped the answer, so it led with encouragement. In Russian, rigor shaped it, so it led with the risks. Same plan, same model, but the language changed the verdict. And Anthropic notes these differences line up with how people already describe each model's character. The measurement matches the vibe. Which brings us to the most honest part of the whole study. After Anthropic controlled for the obvious stuff, the topic, the task, and the user's own values, those 4 dimensions explained only 15% of what was left. 15%. The other 85% is still unexplained, and Anthropic is upfront about it. In its own write-up, the team says it doesn't yet know which parts of the training caused these shifts, or whether this much variation is even a good thing. Think about that. The most trustworthy line in a study about artificial intelligence values is the lab admitting what it still can't explain. Claude gets warmer in Hindi and more rigorous in Russian. Same model, same question. Is that a bug worth fixing or a feature worth keeping? Pick a side in the comments. Subscribe for more artificial intelligence research breakdowns. And if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, check out the Dynamist.ai community.